is China Dalian company location. The office, the new home, very good. Remember for the ship. You see, and location. Very good, many people. The for Dalian, Dalian company, Costco ship. It's Costco ship. You see, company London. See all safe. Chinese people. Then of 15 years, China Xianlong, China Sunlong. Yeah, the big boss. The open Chanlong. Yeah, this is Chinese. See CCTV cutting. Video for. Very nice. Very good ship. Yeah, you see. 迹象顺畅 is for sheep. Yes, it's Bohai. China is Heilongjiang. It's Jilin, Liaoning. It's relocation. It's for the Shandong, the Jiangsu, the Zhejiang, the Guangdong. Also Chinese long sheep water. They move location.